about Coreldraw. I've done introduction to Coreldraw. I've talked about the environment and everything. And today we want us to quickly look at some of the tools. Uh, I want to look at the shape tool first. Then we'll be dropping more on the rest of the tools in subsequent video. Let's dive in. So now, what does shape tool do? Shape tool is a tool you can use to modify your shape in Coreldraw. That is just it. And to pick shape tool, you come to your toolbar here and what? Click on shape tool or click on F10. By pressing F10 on your keyboard, you can actually pick your shape tool. Now, let's look at what we can do with shape tool. Now, I have this square or rectangle shape drawn like this. Now, with my shape tool pick, you can easily click on the edge, drag it, and you can see it has modified to a rounded rectangle. That is that. Another thing you can also do here is click on this edge, and then if you click on it once like this, then bring it down, you can see it has modified only this edge. Then maybe if I want this edge to modify, I can click on it once and then drag it in this way. I've created a different shape. Now with the shape tool selected, I can draw another rectangle and make a different shape out of it. With the shape tool selected, I can right click on my rectangle here and click on what? Convert to curves. Having done that, I can now change this shape to a different kind of shape. So that is what the shape tool does. Now I can also pick my rectangle, draw it again, and use the shape tool to modify it to something different. So let's do it more. Let's do more of this. I can pick my shape tool, click on it, and then convert to curves. Having done that, I want to click on here and click on this curve icon on the property bar. Convert to curve icon on the property bar. By the time I click on it, it will give me a node like this to shape it the way I want. I can shape it this way and have my curve drawn. You get. So that is that. There are a couple of things you can equally do with your shape tool, but basically it helps you to remodify your shape from one kind of shape to a different one, especially when you have it as an object this way. Let me pick my shape tool and see how I can use this to can see it has changed the format of this rectangle to this. So that is what shape tool can easily do. You can do a lot of things, couple of things for you, only if you know how to use it very well. Again, shape tool can also work on pictures. Let me copy this image I have here, because this is an image, and use shape tool to shape it. Maybe I don't want this part of it. If I double click on it, it will give me a node. You double click to have a node, and then you can easily uh, change it. You can see, you can shape it. So let me see what I have here. So this is how it is when I brought this image in. With the help of shape tool, I got rid of this black aspect of it. So what I did was just to select these two nodes together, hold it, and then drag inside, and then I get rid of the black part of it and use it for my design here. So you can easily use your shape tool to do what? To modify shape as well as images in order to have a very clean and nice outlook, depending on what you want to achieve in your project. So I think you've been able to learn one or two things from the shape tool. So that's it. I can easily use it to create different shape of my choice if I want to. Yes, I can do that. I can use it to create different shape. You can see I'll form a circle from a rectangle using the same shape too. So now if I actually want here this way, and then right click and convert it to curve and begin to create different pattern, you can see I've created something like this. So it depends on what you want to achieve. So that is all about that about shape tool, and in the next tutorial we're going to be talking about other tools under the shape tool menu and how they work. I hope this video you'll be able to learn one or two things on this video. If you do, consider giving this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push it further to people who want to learn graphic design using Coreldraw. See you in my next tutorial. Peace out.